Welcome back to another episode of 60-Second Essentials. Today I'm going to be showing you proper care for your iTOVi scanner. First, I'm going to start off by showing you how to clean the iTOVi. You can clean your iTOVi with a damp cloth or an alcohol wipe, a baby wipe, but remember that the iTOVi is not water resistant, so I'm going to just wipe it off just like that. You don't have to clean the iTOVi after every single scan, but if you are at a scanning party where essential oils are heavily used, it would be wise to clean the iTOVi after scanning. Our new iTOVi carrying cases make it really easy to store your iTOVi scanner. The larger case also includes storage for your essential oils. The smaller iTOVi carrying case is perfect just for your iTOVi scanner. It works great for your purse, your pocket, and it even includes a keychain. Remember to keep your iTOVi away from extreme temperatures. That's all for today's episode. See you next time.